Hey guys, it's Keith Allen from Material Indicators, and today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on the MTF Mean Reversion Indicator. I've been telling you about this indicator for a long time. That's because it's been battle tested for a long time. And as you can see, just absolutely killing it on the ETH calls here. ETH obviously having a great month. I'm going to take you back here to actually the end of last month. This was that dip down to that 3,600 range, and it was a perfect call here. For those who aren't familiar with the principle of mean reversion, it's very, very simple. Price likes to revert back to mean. So if you consider this white line here in the center of the channel as mean, you'll notice that every time price deviates, it likes to snap back to mean. And that works in both directions, right? So obviously with longs, we're buying those dips and we're looking for dips with the highest probability of bouncing. And that's where this indicator excels. So instead of speculating, instead of simply using technical analysis, instead of catching knives, you are going to increase your probability of finding the right dips by using an indicator like this. I will tell you, I'm a technical analyst and I use TA a lot, but sometimes my calls might get missed by just a few dollars because I wasn't right at the exact portion of the reversion. And this indicator does just that. So you can see a number of signals here. That's what happens in a downtrend. This indicator thrives in volatility. So in a downtrend, you could get more signals, which is why I like the dollar cost average. I'll take very small positions, small position here, small position here, small position here, again here, another small position here. And they add up, right? So you need to budget yourself. If you're going to automate these, you need to budget, be able to take a number of positions, and then you wait for price to revert. Now, sure, you could do this manually as well. I choose to do this automated. And as you can see, ETH has been having a fantastic month, and price has not only cleared that 10% hurdle, gone beyond 20%, and now we're in like the 30% range. So obviously, ETH is on fire right now, and people are wondering, how can I get in? What dip can I buy without getting wrecked? And this is the tool you want to use to do it. So in my position, I'm looking to add to my ETH position, and I'm going to wait until I get that signal. So as you can see, price just reverting back to mean. I told you at the beginning of this, it works in both directions. So we went up towards the top of the channel, and now price comes right back to where it belongs. And so we look for the next dip. The next buying opportunity will be the next signal here. Whether that remains here in this 41, 42, 4,200 range, or we see an adjustment between now and the next signal remains to be seen. And that's why you want to use this indicator. It has been battle tested for years across various cycles. It works very, very well, and it picks reversion points with a better than 90% opportunity of bouncing. You get more details on the MTF mean reversion and our other tools at materialindicators.com.